So before we dive into all of the other features and my review about this, let's talk about how we set this up. So to charge it, all you're gonna do is you plug in the USB cable and you just plug it into the wall. And when it's red light, it is charging, and when it turns to blue light, it is fully charged. The next thing you wanna do is download the Arenti app on your smartphone and also sign up for an account. Once you have signed up, you want to add a device and make sure you go to the battery camera section, and there's really only one option at the moment. Just select that. So the next thing you want to do is you want to turn it on, and you press and hold this little button slash light thing right here, and you press and hold it for a few seconds, and then you'll notice that a light will turn on right at the very top of the camera, and that way you know it's on. Please make sure you're following the on-screen directions from the smartphone as well. The next thing that you're going to want to do is you want to reset the camera. So included is a small little pin in the box, and there's a small little button at the bottom of this camera, and you press and hold it for a few seconds until you hear a chime. The next thing that happens on your smartphone is you want to connect to your home Wi-Fi. Once connected to your Wi-Fi, a QR code will appear on the screen of your phone, and you just pretty much hold the camera in front of the QR code, and that's how you pair it. And that's essentially it. You've pretty much done your setup. There are a few things that you can customize, but you can kind of go into the settings and do that yourself at your own